Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to protect IP address on WhatsApp calls. For this settings you have to open Play Store. Then you have to search WhatsApp. Then you have to update the app. You can see here update option. Then you have to update the app and click to open. Then here you can see three dot icon. Click to three dot icon. Then you can see here settings option. Click to settings. Then here you can see privacy option. Click to privacy. Then scroll down and click here advanced option. Click to advanced option. Then turn it on. If you turn it on, then if to make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be secured relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality. For those people who are particularly privacy conscious, you can choose to protect your internet protocol address from other on WhatsApp calls as an additional layer of privacy. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.